Hey foodies, welcome back to Anisa Cooks with me Anisa Ali Akbar. Diwali is coming up and it's time for sweets and snacks in every Indian houses. Now today I have come up with a dessert cum sweet recipe that is a gulab jamun tres leches cake. Now since it's Diwali special, this is an eggless version of gulab jamun tres leches cake. So let us check out with the recipe. So first we have to make the gulab jamuns. Into a bowl, take 2 cups of milk powder, add half a cup of all-purpose flour, then comes 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Now once all the dry ingredients are mixed well, add 1 cup of fresh cream and mix it well. Once you have mixed them all well, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and then knead it well to make a soft dough. Our gulab jamun dough is ready to fry. Now make a little small balls out of it to fry. Our gulab jamun balls are ready to fry. Keep them aside and make sure that it is covered. Now our next step is to prepare the sugar syrup for the gulab jamuns. For that, into a pan add 3 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water. Mix them well and mix it well till the sugar dissolves into the water. Now once the sugar syrup starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon of rose essence and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Once the ingredients are added, mix them well. Our sugar syrup is ready. Now into a medium hot oil, add the gulab jamuns one by one and roll it out so that it becomes equally golden brown in color. Make sure that your oil is not that hot. If it is so hot, then your gulab jamuns will turn black but will not cook inside. Now once the gulab jamuns are fried, set them aside for 5 minutes and then add it into the syrup. Our gulab jamun is ready to serve. Keep them aside for a while so that it becomes nice, soft and juicy. Now the next step is to prepare the tres leches cake, and for this add 100 grams of butter into a bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar. For better result, add powdered sugar. Beat them well. Now once the sugar and the butter are mixed well, add half a cup of condensed milk. Once the condensed milk is added, blend them well. Once it is mixed well, now add 1 teaspoon of rose essence into 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well and then pour the milk mixture into the butter and sugar mixture. Once the milk mixture is added, blend them well. Now once the milk mixture is blended well, it's time to add half a cup of curd into the bowl. After adding the curd, beat the mixture for 1 minute. Remember that do not overbeat the mixture. Once all the wet ingredients are mixed well, into a strainer add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Strain the mixture well. Once all the dry ingredients are strained well, mix it well with an egg beater or using a spatula. While using an egg beater, you should beat it with the lowest speed. Do not over knead the mixture or else your cake will become hard. Now our cake batter is ready to bake. Now pour this batter into a cake tray, preferably that which you can use as a serving dish also. Spread the cake batter evenly to all the sides and tap the cake tin 2 to 3 times and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes into a preheated oven. Our cake is ready. Now poke some holes like this with the help of a fork on all the sides of the cake. Now the next step is to prepare the milk bath. For that, first add 2 cups of milk, then half a cup of evaporated milk and half a cup of condensed milk. Now mix the milk mixture well, and once it is mixed, pour half of the milk mixture onto the cake. Once the milk mixture is poured, set the cake aside. Now into a bowl take 1 cup of whipping cream and beat them well. While beating, gradually add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar into it and beat it till stiff peaks are formed. Now our whipping cream is ready. Set them aside. Finally, it is a time to decorate the cake. For that, pour little sugar syrup of the gulab jamun onto the cake and then decorate the cake with the whipping cream with the help of a piping bag. Now decoration or design of the cake depends upon your choice. Now once the sides of the cake has been decorated with the whipping cream, take the gulab jamun and cut it into half and place one by one like this, and again decorate with the whipping cream. Now the design is all your choice. Once the cake is decorated with the whipping cream and gulab jamun, you can garnish it with pistachio slices. Now this is also optional. Our gulab jamun tres leches cake is ready to serve. Our gulab jamun tres leches cake is ready to serve. Now while serving the cake, pour the milk mixture that we have already prepared onto the cake. Now tres leches cake is a Mexican style cake and gulab jamun is our traditional sweet recipe. Now celebrate this Diwali with this fusion. Do try this recipe, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Happy Diwali in advance to all of you.